Welcome back to the Recruiter Talk. If you're curious about the hottest job options in 2023 and the world of remote work, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be diving deep into Remote Work Explained, 2023's hottest job options. With the global workforce undergoing significant changes, remote work has emerged as a game changer for professionals across various industries. So, whether you're a freelancer, a seasoned remote worker, or just exploring new career possibilities, this video is for you. Before we delve into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon to stay updated with our latest career insights. Now, let's get started. Hi everyone. As we embrace a new era of remote work, the job landscape has evolved to accommodate diverse industries and job roles. Let's explore some of the hottest job options in 2023 that offer the flexibility and freedom of remote work. 1. Digital Marketing Strategist. With businesses turning to online platforms, digital marketing strategists are in high demand. If you have a knack for data analysis, social media trends, and creating compelling content, this job might be the perfect fit. Companies are seeking professionals who can drive their online presence and engage with a global audience from the comfort of their home office. 2. Remote Project Manager. Project management is a critical role in various industries, and the demand for remote project managers has skyrocketed. Employers seek individuals who can efficiently coordinate teams, manage timelines, and deliver results, regardless of geographical boundaries. As a remote project manager, you can work with diverse teams and clients worldwide. 3. E-commerce Specialist. As online shopping continues to thrive, e-commerce specialists are vital to managing and optimizing online stores. From product listings and inventory management to analyzing customer behavior, these professionals play a crucial role in enhancing the online shopping experience. 4. Virtual Health Professional. The health and wellness industry has embraced telemedicine and virtual health services. As a remote health professional, you can provide medical consultations, counseling, or even fitness training to clients from anywhere in the world. 5. Content Creator and YouTuber. The rise of digital content has created a plethora of opportunities for content creators and YouTubers. Whether you're passionate about blogging, educational content, or creative storytelling, building a strong online presence can lead to exciting collaborations and revenue streams. 6. Remote Software Developer. Technology continues to evolve rapidly, and remote software developers are highly sought after. From web development to app creation, remote developers can contribute their expertise to projects from remote locations. There you have it, 2023's hottest job options in the realm of remote work. Embrace the flexibility, independence, and endless possibilities that remote work offers. Whether you're already remote or considering transitioning to this dynamic work style, the future is full of exciting opportunities. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and colleagues exploring remote work options. And, of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay connected with our latest career insights. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your remote work journey.